Hey guys, it's Big G and I'm coming to you from Tulum, Mexico. So I've been gone for a little bit on my finance channel, but today I wanted to share with you guys something called a REIT to invest in. So what's a REIT? Is it a REIT like a salad or something? What is that, food term? No, a REIT is a real estate investment trust. You can invest in stocks of real estate in a portfolio without physically having to manage or own the property per se, like a physical property. Basically, it's a stock investment for real estate. So it's a really great thing to invest in because the portfolio is there. You can buy it over the counter, which basically means on a secondary market. For example, you can buy a REIT from Charles Schwab, Vanguard, other companies. So basically, you can own a piece of the pie of real estate, for example, in malls, hotels, boutique shops, refrigeration, food, etc., in real estate. And plus, you don't have to go through all the hassle. And I mean, if you really like the nitty gritty of real estate, ups and downs, go for it. I really want to go for it myself in the future when I have more finances. But right now, I'm still learning about real estate myself. So REITs are a good way to invest in real estate as a beginner. So let's jump more into what REITs are about, what to look for, and what specific companies you should invest in. So let's go. So the cool thing about a REIT is that you can buy it for example, over the counter, which means on a public exchange for a company like Vanguard or T. Rowe Price, and it's tax beneficial. So if you roll a REIT into your IRA, which I do, you'll pay a lot less taxes on the fund, and it'll accumulate with dividends over time. And it's a pretty safe investment if you're looking to have passive income or just, protect your money during these uncertain economic times. So when you're looking for a REIT, you want to see in the white papers that the REIT distributes 75% legally, it has to be 75% of its funds to distribute to its investors. So 75% of the funds have to be in real estate. And out of that, let's see my paper here, 90% of the funds from the profits have to be distributed to the owners of this of the REIT. So basically, there can't be any shenanigans. So if somebody's promising you a REIT that distributes 100% or a number that's not 75% or 90% in that range, it's BS. So me personally, I like to distribute about 20% of my Roth IRA, which is my retirement fund, into REITs because they're very conservative, and they usually distribute a healthy dividend between 2 and 4%, which is compounded on the REIT typically, which is really good for if you want to save for retirement long term. So I have an individual investment account where I do more riskier trades. I learn more about the stock market. And secondly, I also do my Roth IRA with 20% REITs. So when in doubt, always do your homework. And I like to follow the Pareto principle, it's basically named after an Italian who said the 80-20 rule. So 80% of your safe trade should be and something that's reliable and shows you tried and true income and investments. So diversify your portfolio and don't be a one-trick pony. I'm all about everybody learning about investments and being financially literate. I think is really great with the whole things of cryptocurrency, Wall Street bets, all the amazing stuff that's happening. But really, please do all your homework. Don't risk more than a month of your savings into it. Have savings saved, and really just be careful with your money. So let me share with you guys some REITs that I personally like that I've researched for you. So on my list, we have American Tower AMT. So American Tower is one of the top REIT dogs out there, and it has a dividend rate above around 2%. But the cool thing about this REIT is the fact that it's based on cell phone towers. So I know there's been a lot of controversy with 5G and all that, but think about it. A REIT that distributes and owns a lot of real estate and cell phone towers is very important these days. I'm communicating to you over a camera. We all are on our phones trading, doing things on our phone, so it's very important. That's really pivotal. This is a really good REIT because I don't see cell phones or communications going away, and plus American Towers is pivoting towards new technology and other funds as well, which is perfect. So the second REIT we have out there is American Realty Trust. So basically, this is a real estate REIT investment fund that invests in refrigeration. So what is refrigeration? Like the refrigerator behind me in the back? No, this is a really cool REIT because it invests in farm-to-table concept, which in economics means that it's investing in properties that invest in food, refrigeration, shipping, and things that will that'll never become unimportant, like food, beverages, pharmaceuticals, etc. This is one of my personal favorites because it has a really healthy dividend above 2%, which is a dividend as a payout. And plus, during the whole COVID times, the supply chain has been ever proven to be very important these days. So this is a really important REIT to invest in and to have in your conservative portfolio. So to get you guys started investing, invest in WeBull and deposit $100 or more and get up to 2 free stocks up to $1,815. So full disclosure here, I will get a free sign up stock when you sign up, but you'll get 2 free stocks just for signing up. If you want to get started investing, cool. If not, do more of your research and start whenever you're ready. So without further ado, let's continue. My third REIT, Innovative Industrial, is kind of more experimental, but it's kind of keeping up with the times. So basically, what is this? This is a REIT that invests in innovative properties such as blockchain and mostly in cannabis. So, there's a lot of political drama going on with cannabis legalization, etc. I'm not going to share with you my opinion on it, but I think this is a really good investment because medical cannabis has been proven to be very popular in the United States and is grown in a lot of countries such as Colombia, Mexico, and other places where cannabis is increasingly being taxed and legalized for both medical and recreational use. And with a lot of states easing restrictions on marijuana, not just for smoking, but especially for medical use, which is, I think, more important personally. I think this is an excellent REIT and a great REIT going forward for your portfolio. So in summary, guys, if you invest in a REIT, a real estate investment trust, it's a really good passive and conservative way to put a lot of cash into that's very safe with reliable dividends that you should look out for around 2 to 4%, and invest in real property, which I've talked about in my other videos, which is real tangible property, which doesn't go away and really kind of fills a product need and a need that doesn't go away in human society and the economy. So definitely look out for REITs, and remember, always do your research ahead of time and diversify your portfolio. But if I had to give you parting advice, I would say REITs are beneficial if you want to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing property, or you're just getting started in real estate in general. So if you want more financial tips, follow my channel here on YouTube and message me anytime on Instagram at Big G Art World. My specialty is in art and commerce, so I'm currently getting my SIE Series 7 certification, so I really kind of want to help you guys with informed investments based on my experience of what I'm learning, and I can share with you based on fact, as well as alternative investments such as art, real estate, crypto, and just things I come across in the news. So thank you for your time, and please subscribe. Ciao.